4-post lift, 2-post lift, symmetrical, asymmetrical, what the hell is that?
So there are decisions in life that are very difficult, like getting married, having kids, or buying a lift.
And if it's a 2-post or 4-post, it's even worse.
So let's get to the point. The 2-post lift that's mostly used for repair shops are 9,000 pounds. And you can find those in our shop for $3,000. With this lift, you can work on the brakes, wheels, lower suspension, and everything. The space that you're gonna need for a 2-post lift, if it's a clear floor model, minimum you're gonna need 12 feet in height, but more importantly, the concrete. You need minimum 4 inches in depth and 3,000 PSI. So let's clarify, there's usually 2 types of 2-post lift, the symmetrical and the asymmetrical lift. So it's important to clarify, symmetrical or asymmetrical. When it comes to a symmetrical lift, both arms are of equal length coming from the column. So the car is going to be centered right in the middle of the lift. Good balance, but hard to open up the door. The asymmetrical lift has shorter arms and the posts are turned 30 degrees. What does that do? It leaves you a lot more space to open up the car doors and the mechanic to leave the car. This is perfect for modern cars and smaller cars as well.
The 4-post lift is made for 2 things, storage and stable work. It's useful for general inspection since it lifts from the tires. You can do oil changes or alignment. It's ideal for enthusiasts who have a project, a Civic, an F-150, whatever you want. It requires more horizontal space, but the height can be less than the one of the 2-post, 11 feet high.
So in conclusion, if you want to save space, the 2-post lift is a perfect job for your shop. And if you want to do storage or alignment lifts, then the 4-post lift.
Just comment lift and we'll send you all the info.